Hi, so today we're going to compare RecurPost and Hootsuite. RecurPost is a social media management tool. We offer our plans start at $25 a month. If you pay yearly, you pay, for instance, $250, which is for 10 months. So the effective price is about $21 a month. Hootsuite, if you go to their pricing, it's $99 per month, but there is a star. So the star means prices are displayed in USD based on annual billing. So this is the price if you buy annually. If you skip your trial and you buy it today, they'll give you 20% off. I'm gonna sign up. I'm gonna start with a 30-day trial. I'm gonna put my name as John Doe. So pretty good. I'm gonna create my account. Now it says you can pay $99 a month, which will cost you $1,188 today, or you can pay monthly. So if you pay monthly, it's $149 a month. What do I get for $149 a month is one user, 10 social accounts, analytics, and post scheduling. Alright, so we are in plan, publish. Okay, that's what I want to do. How would you describe? I manage, let's say, social media. I manage theme. Add your social accounts. So this is their onboarding process. I'm going to add my Facebook account. And now I have a new screen here. Okay, these are all the social accounts that are connected to my Facebook page. So I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to add this one. And I'm done. I'm going to hit done. Done. Okay. Okay. So I have added two social accounts. Let's add an Instagram account as well. So you have to log into Facebook for that as well. Okay. Then I'm gonna add, let's say, a LinkedIn account as well. Edit this. Right, so I have added my LinkedIn account as well. Now let's click on add more later. Alright, let's see. Now what do? I can create a new post, but I want to see how many accounts I have added. Let's see. Streams, Talkwalker, plan. So this is basically my calendar. Okay, settings, export. Yeah, I don't know where are my accounts. If I wanted to remove something, profile, social accounts and teams. Okay, so I can see my accounts here. So I have to go to my account settings, go to social accounts and teams, and I can see all my accounts here. Now let's create a post. So they have selected two of the accounts. Let's say I want to share on one, this one, and this one, and this one. Actually, let's say all of them. I only want one of the Facebook accounts. So this is the original post. This is if I wanted to customize it for Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. So let's start that. This is a test of how so it shows me the preview for all of them. shorten with hourly or add tracking. If you go to Facebook, there are no options here. You can promote this post by adding your ads account, add tracking this, add media. I can also use Canva here. For LinkedIn, I can edit these details. For Instagram, I think I'll have to add Instagram. If I schedule it for later, let's say I want to schedule it for 29th of August, 7 a.m. should not be a recommended time, and they're saying this is the best time for me. I don't agree. Anyways, so let's say done. So I'm gonna schedule all of them. Okay, so for Instagram, it said I haven't added that. I'm gonna browse the media library, which doesn't work. I'm gonna add media from my media library. Okay, so there you can find, let's say I added this. I can search for a media, which is pretty good, so I'm gonna schedule it. So post is successfully scheduled. I find this a bit confusing, like it says recommended time 7 a.m. What happens? Post pin. I don't even have a Pinterest account here. Wait, then 9 a.m. is recommended. So I already did that, no? Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, so this is a bit distracting, but other than that, this is pretty good. One thing that I did not see was advanced options. So for instance, when you're posting on Instagram, you could have locations attached, or you can tag people, those kind of things, right? Also, let's say social accounts and teams. I want to add another account. So what they support is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, Threads, which is pretty cool. I think one of the major that's missing here is Google My Business. Yeah, Google My Business is missing. Other than that, this is pretty good. Now let's try to do the same thing on RecurPost. I'm gonna sign up. Remember, they asked me for my credit card. I don't think that is the case here. And actually, I know that's not the case here, because on their website here it says in bold, no credit card required. So pretty good. I'm a marketing agency. I manage up to 100 accounts. So Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and Google Business Profile. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna add my Facebook page. So similar process. The process isn't very different. I will add this and this, and then I'm done adding Facebook page. So my pages that were added are here. I can now add my Instagram. I know I have authenticated Facebook since Meta bought Instagram. I'm gonna add the same accounts here as well. Um, yeah, let's add a LinkedIn personal profile as well. Okay, so since I was logged into LinkedIn, I didn't have to do anything. It just added this account for me. Let's go to continue, and I can create my first post. This is part of onboarding. I can use AI, but I'm gonna go to dashboard. Here I have these social profiles that I have added. these are all the options. If I want to look at my social profiles, I can do it this way. They have listing as well. I can pose an account. I don't think I can do that in Hootsuite actually. You can pose an account so that nothing goes out on this account. You know, like let's say you're running multiple locations and one of the location has some incident take place and you don't want to share any posts there for a week or so. So you just pose it, and even if you schedule something by mistake, it will not go out. I am not sure if they have something like that. They should reconnect, share, settings, sync avatar, remove from Hootsuite. Now I don't see the option to pose. Yeah, it's pretty important actually. Anyways, let's go to calendar. The calendar should be empty. I'm gonna share a post. I'll select all of the accounts. I'm gonna type the same message. This is a test to see how it looks at RecurPost.com for scheduling. Okay, so pretty good. Same way I can add media. We can customize and you can change the message. They have options for Facebook. For instance, you can add first comment. That's pretty neat. LinkedIn, you can upload a document, so it will make it a carousel. You can add first comment as well, so that's pretty neat. I don't think Hootsuite had that. For Instagram, you can set if this is a feed, a story, or a reel. For a reel, obviously, you have to upload a video, so that's pretty neat too. And for reels, there is an option that share on feed too, so your reels can be shared on feed, or if you don't want, they won't be. And you can add first comment. So some additional options are there. For media, what they had was you can search for an image. That's how we did it in Hootsuite. So similar functionalities here as well. I could search for, let's say, flower with red. Okay, so let's say I use these ones. It's pretty good. There were other options as well. I can generate an image using AI. I can upload a video. I can copy an image from web. I can search for a GIF, upload an image, or use one of the images that I have uploaded earlier from my media. Right, so pretty good. Now the options to share would be post it right away, save it as a draft so that I can work on it later or schedule it for later. So I could, let's say 30th, and I schedule it for the best time. So one thing that I liked is with Hootsuite, they have selected a few times for you. If you want to share on those times, that's fine. Otherwise, they'll say, hey, you do not have any best time. With RecurPost, what happens is if you select 30th and you select auto schedule for best time, and let's say you have scheduled 5 posts and all set to post at the best time, then the first one will go out at the first best time, the second one will go out at the second best time, and so on. The way it works is every hour of the day is ranked. It has a score. And then the one with the highest score is the best time. The one with the score lower than that is the second best, and so on. And then you can schedule it. You must upload a video for a reel. Okay, I'm not going to share it as a reel. I'm going to share it as a feed. So if you make a mistake, it'll tell you. Schedule. Okay, so it has been scheduled for 30th of August. I see that it's going out on 4 accounts, and I can see which accounts. Oh, I can actually post it right away if I want, if I did not want to wait till 30th of August. So I like how it is in a single block instead of 4 separate blocks. Let's say I want to see what's going on my this account. So this is basically filtering. So that's really cool. Yeah, and this is preview, so I can always see what it is going to look like on those platforms. Right, so I think they both have almost similar features. RecurPost has a few more features um, than Hootsuite. Hootsuite has something like this. You can look at the days that are upcoming. RecurPost also has that. They have AI crafted special date posts. So you pick the day that's coming, and then you select the platform where it should be going, and you hit generate. And then it'll like create a post that you can add to a post quickly. So it got added here. You select which account it should go on, and you can post it right away. I'm not going to do that, but it's that simple. Right, so that's the comparison. So what I don't like about Hootsuite is the pricing. The same thing that I get for $25, or actually for $149 with Hootsuite, I get 10 accounts, and with RecurPost, I get 20 accounts for 80 bucks, 79 bucks, and they have something called add-ons. So for instance, currently my plan has 5 social profiles. If I wanted to add 4 more or 5 more, it'll cost me $20 extra per month. So this is still cheaper. So that would be $20 a month, because this is my free trial. If I switch to paid plans, so that the lowest plan is about 25 bucks. So 25 plus 20, that will be 45 bucks. It is still lower than Hootsuite's monthly plan, which is $149. That's crazy. It's like $104 a month cheaper than Hootsuite. And almost the same service, great UI, everything looks great. So yeah, I think the winner in this comparison is RecurPost, unequivocally. I hope you guys like this comparison. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.